I'm in 4th grade. If I could go anywhere on earth or space, I would go to Egypt. I want to go to Egypt because I want to learn about their pyramids, culture, dance, and music. I read in a book that there's gold, silver, jewels, and mummies in a pyramid. Also, someone told me that there are huge Egyptian statues and paintings of gods in buildings. That's why I want to go there. For their dance, I looked in a picture and I saw that they wore feathers for their costumes. For their music, they had a lot of rhythms and musical instruments such as wooden clarinets, harps, and flutes. In their culture, they have a very exciting fact that they were the first civilization born. I hope one day I could go to Egypt.